Take a look at this Instagram account. It has gained more than 55,000 followers with just 147 posts, and many of the videos are getting millions of views. And what is he posting? Just these viral face ASMR videos. So today, I'm going to show you how you can create these kinds of videos in basically one click using AI. And the best part is, this is still a fresh niche, so if you start now, you still have a very good chance to grow fast. Let's start. You'll find a document link in the description. Once you open it, you'll see a master prompt. Copy that prompt. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and run it. Once you do that, it will give you multiple options like funny face, angry face, and many more. It will also ask whether you want to use a reference image. If you already have a reference image, you can upload it using the plus icon. But for this example, I'll just type one and choose no reference image. Now run it again. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for our face ASMR video. First, copy the image prompt. Now head over to Grok AI. In the Image tab, choose Create Image. Select your aspect ratio, paste the image prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, it will give you multiple images. Choose the one you like the most. Now click Make Video. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it here, choose your video duration, and click Generate. And within seconds, your viral face ASMR video is ready. Now download it. Here's another one I created using the exact same method. And that's how you can create these viral face ASMR videos with AI. This is still a fresh niche, so start working on it today before it gets saturated. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials.